Have you ever wondered how burgers are made in a factory?
Today, we take you inside a real burger production facility.
Everything starts with strict hygiene and safety standards.
Only carefully selected ingredients are used.
Let us begin the journey.
Fresh beef arrives and moves to processing.
Powerful machines grind the meat evenly. Texture consistency is essential.
Exact spices are added automatically.
The mixture is blended thoroughly. Every batch is carefully monitored.
The meat is shaped into perfect patties.
Each patty has identical size and weight.
Automation ensures speed and accuracy.
Temperature is tightly controlled.
Human inspection adds another safety layer.
Robots handle patties with precision. Freshness is preserved. This process guarantees consistency.
Burger buns start with fresh dough.
The dough is kneaded evenly. Perfect softness is achieved. Each bun is precisely sized.
They are baked at controlled temperatures.
Even baking creates perfect texture.
Freshly baked buns emerge.
Sesame seeds are added.
Buns are cooled before use.
Now, buns are ready.
Vegetables are thoroughly washed.
Tomatoes are sliced evenly.
Onions are prepared efficiently.
Freshness is key.
Quality checks continue.
Prepared for assembly.
Stored at safe temperatures.
Cleanliness is maintained. Maximum freshness preserved.
Vegetables are ready.
Now comes cooking.
Patties cook evenly.
Machines flip them precisely.
Cheese melts perfectly.
Buns are lightly toasted.
Assembly starts. Patty placed on bun.
Fresh vegetables added. Exact sauce portions applied.
Burger is completed.
Perfectly assembled.
A factory-made burger. High-speed production.
Ready for packaging.
Burgers are wrapped.
Packaging is branded.
Sealed securely.
Each burger is checked.
Only approved products move forward.
Packed for delivery.
Tracked digitally. Stored safely. Ready to ship. Sent worldwide. From factory to you.
That is the process.
Thanks for watching.